Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to open a brand new starter deck, ST17, a Blue Don Quixote Do Flamingo deck. I am very excited because I think this is the first deck I'm going to build up. But let's see the components of this deck if it suits me. Right now, I want an aggressive deck that can set up the table very, very early. I want to damage the commander or the other player at around 2 or 3 turns. So that's my main objective. So I hope this Doflamingo deck can do that. From what I have seen, this Doflamingo deck is really, really strong. But I don't think this is a beginner's deck. To tell you the truth, I think this is more of an intermediate or an expert category. Wow, Doflamingo. Wow, look at that card. Wow, 5 lives. Okay, there's a PRBO1 booster pack, an English version. We are going to open this later. For now, let's open the deck first. I'm very excited. I want to see it now. Okay, where's my Caesar? Okay, found it. Okay, let's cut it open. Let's open it. Okay, I hope I don't damage the deck. Am I doing this right? Guys, please comment in the comment section blue if you think blue is okay for beginners or this is really really hard to use for beginners because from what I have seen from YouTube from other players, you have to know the decks of your opponent so you can set up this right. I don't know if that's correct, but comment in the comment section, guys, and educate me again if blue is okay for beginners. Let's see what Dofi's leader skill is. Okay, here we go. Okay, okay, let's see that up close. Okay. Wow, this card is strong. I can summon a 4 cost Warlords of the Sea character in a turn. So I can do this on my first, no, on my second turn. So I can summon on each turn at least two, one from my hand and one from my deck. But I have to know what's on top of my deck. Okay, next card is an SR, Trafalgar Law. Wow. Okay, let's see the skill. You may return one. I'm not sure about this skill. I'm not familiar. So, okay, let's see the next one. Boa Hancock, an SR Boa Hancock. Okay, blocker. And wow, okay. This card can help me know what's on top of my deck. Okay, a good card. That's a good card. Next card is Crocodile. Okay, on play. Okay, common card. Okay, next is Buggy. A common Buggy. On play. Okay, another what do you call that? I'll call this type of card a setter. Okay. Okay, a teach card. 2 costs. Okay. I can give 2 dons. 2 rested dons to another character. That's quite powerful, I think. A 3 cost Doflamingo, which is also a blocker. Okay, good. Top cards. Another setter. Another setter. 4. Okay, an event card. Overheat. Counter up to leader cards gain 4. Wow, plus 4,000 during a battle. And then a 4 cost Gecko Moria. No skill. But his attack is 6,000, so I think that's very strong. That's why it doesn't have any skill. A Kuma. Another setter. So this deck is actually knowing the top of your deck. So that's the strength of this deck. Okay, that's good. Oh, Emery. is joining me again with my hunt, with this journey. Number 3, a skillless Edward Weevil. 3 cast 5,000. Next is 4 cost Gecko Moria. Ooh, that's quite good. I can revive a character from my trash. That's quite good. Okay. A Mihawk. Counter 2,000. Okay. 4 cost, 2,000 counter, 5,000 attack. Quite good. A 1 cost low. A blocker. Hmm. Do I need 4 in my deck? Maybe 2. Next card is Jinbei. Good looking card. On KO. Okay, that's good. This can disrupt the opponent's momentum. Cute artwork. For Jinbei. Do I need 4? Guys, comment in the comment section if I need 4 Jinbei like this one. Okay, the Dawn cards. 10 plain looking Dawn cards. Okay, that's the whole deck. Do you hear the thumping sound? My Emery is doing something naughty. Guys, what other cards do I need to improve this deck? So please comment in the comment section. Guys, help me out. Let's open this PRBO1 booster pack. This English booster pack. Ooh, I hope this is a God pack. Guys, hit, hit, hit. I hope we pull something big. A God pack. Please, an English God pack. Okay, let's hope, guys. Okay. Hmm. Is this a God pack? A Boa Hancock. Hmm. Oh, the Dawn is on the back of the pack. Okay, a blocker Boa Hancock. Beansmoke Yonji. Ice Age. Wiper. Ooh, Nami. Okay, quite beautiful Nami. Charlotte Smoothie. Koala. An SR Koala. Is this the hit? Oh, a Jolly Roger. Ano? Yeah. A Jolly Roger barrier card. Beansmoke Neji. This is the hit. Jolly Roger Neji. And another plain looking Dawn card. I think this is Ace Dawn card. Okay, this is the whole deck. We did not hit the God pack, but I hope I can play this deck. Guys, thank you for watching. On my next video, we're going to open ST18 Purple Luffy.
Please leave a like and subscribe.